this key level, very valid key level. So it's around 70.04 to about 70.08. So this key level over here, I took a screenshot once again, and we'll quickly break that down. So there we go. So what we had over here is we had, again, a ton of buy orders. We break below the zone, right? Notice how we had a lot of volume backing this move again. We have this very dark red region over here. Again, the darker the red, the greater the delta, the negative delta, which means that there's a big difference between the left number and the right number. So a negative delta just means that there are more sell orders, aggressive sell orders, and aggressive buy orders. We want to see heavy selling volume if we want to take a short, because we want volume to back the move that we're in. Now, when we had our retest, we actually had we had our 3 candles over here, and this is the main reason as to why this is a key level. This is where the aggressive buyers were failing. So once again, if we break that down for people, we had this huge move to the downside, 1 minute zone, 1 minute fair value gap, and we had this retest into our level. Now, what made the retest valid, again, if we bring these candles next to each other, is this. We see 191 for 505. Now, theoretically, what that means is there are 505 market orders hitting the ask. So there's 505 aggressive buyers. Now, there's only 191 aggressive sellers. So that's a big positive delta. There's a big difference between the aggressive buyers and sellers. Now, the fact that we couldn't break above this area, the fact that we had all these buyers, but the market's tanked lower, this indicates that we are at an area of supply. So you want to be shorting at supply, right? From this key level down to this key level. So that was the short trade that I took on Tuesday, right? So again, breaking that down, Tuesday's short was probably the cleanest trade of 2026 so far. I think that was probably the best entry in terms of shorts, right? So just to finish off this video, I'm gonna go over my take for ES futures for the rest of the week, or if you're watching this for the 15th and 16th, right? So again, what we see here